So guys, this bridge, it's 150 meters long and it is at 1,400 meters high, roughly. Yeah. Guess what, guys?
We're here way too early.
We're the very first customer, even before the employees.
Yeah, and on Google, when you Google the Golden Bridge or the Bana Hills cable car, it drives you all the way up to the point when the Golden Bridge is. Because there's a road, I guess, for servicing and stuff like that. But you're actually not allowed to go there. So my tip will be to Google the cable car ticketing office for the Bana Hills, and that will take you here, and that's about 45 minutes shorter of a drive. So we are here so early and I haven't slept, so
okay. Jade and I was discussing last night if we should go or not, you know, because we were reading reviews of this place, and it's very, you know, there's two big groups there. One's are pros and the other are cons, because
so
this place
have this group that look at the picture and they're like, oh my god, it's so pretty, it's two pieces of rock holding a bridge.
Me.
And you have this
That's
group
me.
here that's like, it's two pieces of fiberglass holding a bridge that's been man-made like a year ago, and they charge you like 50 bucks to get into this thing. I'm like, what?
Anyways, we
so
thought that
everybody's different, right?
we might give you our reviews of this store, see if you guys, you know, should go here. Is it worth it? We'll let you know.
We're not 1,500,000 dong poor.
Oh, come on.
So the ticket office is already open at 6:35. I got us the 2 tickets. We're the first people who got the tickets today. And
do we win the prize?
No. Oh. And so it includes everything because it is a theme park. So it includes everything except the wax museum. It's wet.
If you guys don't know, Jade's very afraid of the height. This cable car holds the world record of the longest cable car. It is roughly 5 kilometers long with, you know, no stop in betweens.
Okay, we made it! Ah! Whoa, look at, you have to get up, you have to get up.
It's time for us to run, grab those pictures, because time is limited here before all the whole crowd and the big bus coming.
About 8 o'clock, all the tourist bus arrive, and you can be completely packed with people. You can't even walk on that bridge.
Are you guys ready to see that? This is from another world.
Yeah, this is like Disneyland.
Look at this, guys. Wow. It's like a whole new world. I'm not having the impression that I'm in Vietnam, Da Nang.
Yeah, they do not give you a choice to buy the theme park ticket as well as the bridge ticket. So So this is what comes included with it.
Can you guys hear that? This is like a prayers that the monk does that they keep playing on repeat. This park is huge. It goes like left, right, it can divide and you can just lose track at any moment.
It looks very good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. The views are really nice. But they give you zero structure, they give you no map. They give you no signs of directions, so it's just very confusing.
Yeah, you get to explore.
And it's unfinished as well, so you're walking right next to construction, like at some point during your walk. So it really feels that for now, for me, like a little bit of a money grab.
Yeah, I have to admit this place is still unfinished. There's a lot of places that you cannot access, like, you know, here.
But what I find completely ridiculous is how you see how this looks old, but it's being built. So they make it, even like the hands on the bridge, it's aged.
You know what? They're good at
think that it's old, but it's brand spanking new. Everything here is brand spanking new. So I find this a little bit ridiculous as well.
So far you guys know on which camp she is and I am.
Listen, if once this thing is finished, like I love Universal, I love Disneyland. I mean, I would be happy to pay to go to a place that's finished and organized with good service and everything. I know it gets pricey and everything, but they charge you already the full price for something that feels completely unfinished, and also they make things not the way they are, so it's just a little bit hypocritical for me.
But if you know all that and you want to have beautiful place to take pictures, you know, it's a good spot. Honestly.
Yeah, this place looks good. Like I
said. They work hard to maintain like a nice garden with statues. Guys, let me present you Notre-Dame de Paris Vietnamese version. Ta-da! Every 2% that you count, it's $100 bill.
Yeah, 3 if you count US dollars. It's a lot of money.
Alright, Vietnamese people know how to make money,
yes,
right?
They're definitely really good at that. But this feels like they tried to build like a French village. It does feel very French.
They are good at making it.
Yeah, they have like little bistros, ice cream in front of the restaurant, little cafe, little terrace.
We've been to Europe. Jade traveled to Europe every summer and it looks like it.
It's like a mini quick fast food version of it.
Okay, guys, you should look at the face of Jade right now. It's like a $2 million face.
It's exactly $90 Canadian dollar face.
Oh my God, really? It's gonna be a giant pool.
I don't know what this is gonna be.
I think it's gonna be a theater. Guys, already time to leave that place.
Yeah, we've been awake for
since
8 hours now, so we're a little bit tired. We're gonna go eat some bento at the place we discovered yesterday. That's really good. It's really local, and they basically serve like 3 dishes, and they make it really, really good. But before that, what do you think of this?
As for me, I think it's really worth it if you go only for the bridge. For the rest, it doesn't impress me much, but the bridge, it's very like picturesque, it's nice, the view there, and
even now if you see at the back, the view is really beautiful in the cable car. Everything is really beautiful. I just think that because the bridge,
they could polish it more before, you know, open it to public.
Yeah, they need to finish some construction, or at least make it so that not everybody can see it when they walk around. I think it definitely needs more attraction as well, aside from cable car and the bridge.
Yeah.
And we definitely had fun at the arcade room. Like, we had lots of fun. Like,
But I think a good compromise would be, charging not the full price, half price of, because they only have
even like 2/3, I will be.
Yeah, it will be
But
happy.
it's just, if you go to Universal or you go to Disneyland, they have a lot of rides and a lot of animation that you can go on, aside from the whatever you see that is obviously beautiful. But here there isn't much aside from the arcade and the bridge.
Yeah,
and
but I think in a term of 1 year or 2 years from now, yes, I think it would be a beautiful
it could be
family
really,
place.
really nice.
Yeah.
So we definitely, because we love the bridge, and this one really, really
Jade.
like the bridge. So for us, even we already knew the price before we came, and we were willing to pay it.
Just
so
for
it's
a
really up
picture.
to you guys.